Inyunyana yezisebenzi iAMCU ibambe umkhosi wokukhumbula izisebenzi ezingamashumi amathathu nane ezabulwa ngamaphoyisa khathi kunombhikisho emayini iLonmin eMarikana eNorth. Kwabethula inkulumo umengameli weIFP ngokuhlonishwa nomsunguli wayo iNkosi uMangosuthu Buthelezi, umholi weIFF uJulius Malema, umholi weUDM uBantu Holomisa kanye nomholi weOne Movement SA uMosi Maimane.
We were promised action after Marikana, still nothing has happened. We were promised a president who was going to come and apologize, still nothing has happened. We cannot wait anymore. We must stand up collectively and say it is time for us to take action.
Nane and Marikana, we have seen again that the suffering of the people cannot go on forever. The way of civil unrest, shooting, violence and destruction that has struck across Kwabethula and khathi is another evident signal that all is not well in our country.
There has been no remorse shown, no heartfelt apology, no visits with affected families from the powers that be. From a legal standpoint, no one has taken responsibility, and government has dug and dived at every turn.
We call on the NPA to prosecute Ramaphosa, and if they are not going to prosecute Ramaphosa, they must issue a non-prosecuting letter as the EFF want to prosecute Ramaphosa through private prosecution. And we are making this call now, and we commit to give a report on progress of making the celebration of the 10th anniversary, where we report whether we're succeeding with private prosecution. It's 9 years since we opened the case. I opened the case myself at Marikana police station. No policeman has ever contacted me. No prosecutor has ever contacted me, which is very clear that they are covering up for each other.